Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create Instagram highlight without posting a story. So you can do this. Let's follow me. First of all, open up the Instagram. After opening the Instagram, you have to click on your profile icon. After tapping on your profile icon, you have to click on top right corner of option button. Now click on settings and privacy. After tapping on setting and privacy, you have to just scroll down. You have to find the option hide story and live. Here it is. You have to tap on it. Now tap on hide story and live from. Now you have to select all of the followers. After selecting all of them, all of your followers, now you have to go back and upload a story which you want to show as highlight. Let's suppose I am uploading this. I want this to be shown on my highlights. Now upload a story. It takes some time. Now as you see, the story has been uploaded. After applying story, now you have to wait for 24 hours until the story become disappear. Now after 24 hours, you have to go back to your profile, click on options, now tap on setting and privacy and click on hide story and live. Tap on this. Now you have to deselect all of these followers. That's it. In this way you can create highlights without posting a story. Just like we add the story but we doesn't allow anyone to view that story. So in this way you can create. I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.